Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing KSP Performance Spike Lug Nuts. They got their nice sticker on top of the box. We'll get into it, and of course I'll leave a link in the description if you want to purchase some. I must say, for the price that you're paying, I would highly recommend these products. Like I said, I wouldn't review anything that I personally wouldn't run on my vehicles. And the reason I keep partnering with this company, KSP, is just because they have high quality. So start off with the top. You have your cap for the lug nut, which you need a wrench to put on. As you can see, there's a flat, either ground or milled onto it. It's hard to tell because it is painted or powder coated. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a powder coat because I ran them on my truck in, the snow, the ice for over a year up here in Wisconsin. Nothing really lasts very long, and they did last for over a year, so I would say they held up pretty good. Alright, so as you can see, I have the cap here, and I put the O-ring on, slid it on as far as it'll go, and I have the base of the lug nut, the one piece. That's why they call it a two-piece lug nut set, for obvious reasons. And this side will go on the truck, side with the angled base, and then your lug nut will just screw right in. Now obviously when you get to the bottom, you'll have to tighten it down with a wrench. When I put them on the truck, I'll tell you what size it is. And the whole reason there's an O-ring is because you don't want it to rattle or have vibration when you're going down the road. But yeah, overall, good build. I'd recommend them to everyone.